Capital One and the mystery of the PIN. Do you actually need one? Ever stared blankly at an ATM, debit card in hand, wondering if you need a magic number to access your hard-earned cash? You're not alone. PINs, those four-digit guardians of our bank accounts, can feel shrouded in mystery. Especially when it comes to credit cards, do they even need them? Well, buckle up, finance friends, because today we're cracking the code on Capital One and PINs. We'll uncover the truth, explore the whys behind the numbers, and equip you with the knowledge to navigate that ATM with confidence. Let's rewind a bit. Remember that first exciting moment you received your shiny new Capital One card? Maybe it was a sleek credit card, promising adventures and rewards. Perhaps it was a debit card, ready to become your financial partner. Did a mysterious PIN magically appear alongside it? The answer depends. Capital One offers a variety of products, and PINs come into play for specific situations. Here's the breakdown. Credit card confusion. For most Capital One credit card purchases, the answer is a resounding no. You won't need a PIN to swipe your card at the store, shop online, or conquer those travel goals. That's because credit cards operate on a different system, verifying your identity and authorizing transactions through a network. So, why do some credit cards even have the option to set a PIN? That's where the plot thickens. A PIN for your Capital One credit card comes into play for a specific purpose: cash advances. If you ever find yourself in a pinch and need some emergency cash, an ATM can be your lifeline. But to access those funds using your Capital One credit card, you'll likely need to enter your trusty PIN. Debit card dilemma. Now, let's talk debit cards. These little plastic workhorses function differently. They act like an extension of your checking account, allowing you to directly access your funds. And that's where PINs become essential. Just like with any debit card, your Capital One debit card will require a PIN for most transactions. This includes using ATMs for withdrawals, making debit purchases at stores with PIN pads, and even verifying your identity online for certain accounts. So, the verdict? Capital One credit cards generally don't require a PIN for everyday purchases, but they can be handy for cash advances. Debit cards, on the other hand, rely on PINs for most transactions. But wait, there's more. The world of PINs isn't always black and white. Some Capital One credit card products might come with unique features, and PIN usage could vary. So, it's always best to check your specific card details or contact Capital One directly for clarification. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. What if you don't remember your PIN? Fear not, fellow forgetful friend. Capital One offers ways to retrieve or change your PIN. You can usually do this through their online banking platform or mobile app. If you're stuck and traditional methods fail, contacting Capital One's customer service can get you back on track. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. By understanding how Capital One and PINs work together, you can navigate your financial world with confidence. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.